If you thought the legendary 3406 engine had seen its final form, think again, because in 2025, Caterpillar has taken everything we thought we knew and rewired it from the inside out. And here's the kicker. It might just change the way American industries move, forever. But before we dive in, have you ever seen a diesel engine that can outwork your expectations and still look like a beast doing it? No? Well, stick around. You're about to, because today we're peeling back the hood on the 2025 Caterpillar 3406, its new features, what's under the block, and why this might be the smartest powertrain upgrade of the decade. Evolution of a legend. Let's set the scene. The Caterpillar 3406 has powered America's backbone, from long-haul rigs to marine engines, for decades. Its reputation? Rock-solid reliability with torque you can feel in your bones. But the 2025 model? It's no longer just a diesel engine. It's a data-driven, performance-optimized machine designed for the future of freight and fleet. We're talking smarter electronics, advanced fuel mapping, and emissions compliance that doesn't sacrifice a single ounce of horsepower. Pause. Wait. Emissions and power? Yup. Welcome to 2025. What's new in the 2025 edition? So what's actually changed? Redesigned. ECM, the engine control module, is now AI-assisted. That's right. Your diesel engine has a brain that adapts to driving conditions in real time. Fuel injection system. Overhaul. Higher injection pressure, precision-tuned for improved atomization. Translation, more power, less fuel waste. Cooling and lubrication. Tweaks. With thermal stability upgrades, this engine can pull harder, longer, without breaking a sweat. Honestly, the only thing this engine doesn't do is make your coffee, but give it a year. For logistics managers, owner-operators, and heavy machinery crews, this engine is a game changer. Fuel economy, upper maintenance intervals, longer, downtime, practically non-existent. It's like upgrading from a reliable old hammer to a laser-guided titanium sledge. And when you're clocking 3,000 miles a week across unpredictable American terrain, that kind of edge isn't optional. It's survival. Caterpillar isn't just tweaking specs to stay competitive. They're responding to pressure from both regulators and end users. And the 3406 needed to evolve without losing its soul. Enter Caterpillar's new design philosophy, legacy muscle plus modern mind. The 2025 3406 still feels like a Caterpillar, but now it thinks like a Tesla, an engine that could easily outlast the chassis it's mounted on. But here's the million-dollar question. A lot of industry insiders are whispering this could be the final evolution of the 3406 series, and if that's true, this version might become a collector's item. Think about that. A diesel engine with resale value that climbs. But that begs the question, is now the right time to invest? Or is something even bigger around the corner? Pause for suspenseful beat. Segment 6. What's next and why you should act now, 7:30 to 8:30. Here's what we know. Parts are in demand. Fleet upgrades are rolling out. And those who wait will pay. Because when the roads get tougher and fuel costs climb again, you'll either have the 2025 346 or you'll be chasing it. Urgency trigger. If you're spec'ing a fleet for next quarter or thinking long-term durability, you can't afford to sleep on this. So here's your cliffhanger. In our next episode, we'll break down exactly how to spec your vehicle for maximum performance using this engine and where Caterpillar may be headed after this bold release. So hit subscribe, ring that bell, and don't miss what's coming next. Might just be the start of something even bigger. Write a prompt for front view of 2025 Caterpillar 3406 engine, shiny yellow standing and lighting showroom, with clear background, no distractions and objects. Here's a clean and effective prompt you can use to generate an image of the 2025 Caterpillar 3406 engine.